And we were thinking, you know, Kenny, if you could, as we salute this crew, if there were one member of the crew maybe you'd never want to work with again, is there anybody in this whole Turner Sports NBA?
There are so many great people here, so that would be almost impossible.
Well, I don't want anybody to lose their job.
I do, but you know what? I do have a guy. Is he in your ear?
That you'd rather
Tom Heights.
Tom Heights has been difficult.
He's been my nemesis for a long time. He's been my nemesis. All of those videos you see of me doing things, but he was recently at a Hawks game. And then he was on the kiss cam with a beautiful young lady. And he put the kiss cam on, and he made like he did not see the kiss cam because he did not want to kiss her on television in the thing. So now we're going to blow you up on national television.
Look at
and you're still not kissing. Look at her. She's hitting you like, look, we're on the thing.
Oh, that's sad. Oh, that is so sad.
Thank you.
You know what?
Very much.
Listen, I want him fired.
That's just...
Look at him. Look, he knows he's on the kiss cam.
Wait, when she sees it,
She looks right there.
And then he realizes, then he gets engages in this conversation.
Look, that's us.
Talking to one of his boys. What I do when I go to work.
We're on the kiss cam, baby.
I work at Chuck Kenny, Chuck and
Kiss cam. I can't believe you won't kiss me.
Well, guess we'll see him later down at Bulldog. There you go. There you go. Talk about your favorite spot again. Come on, man.
Hey, listen, that's how you kiss Cam, baby.
That's what that girl wanted out.
That's how you kiss Cam. The kiss Cam. The kiss Cam.
Kiss my hand.
Oh, the kiss Cam.
How many?
Kiss that. Oh, the kiss Cam. I'm disappointed, Heights. I bet she's not going out with him again. I guarantee it.
That's a wrap for Inside, presented by Hyundai for Charles